Today is about to be extremely exciting. We are going in Brandon Semenuk's championship-winning World Rallycross car, a Subaru WRX, on this awesome rally course.
First time in a rally car?
Yeah, on the dirt. I've been in a nitro electric rally car at Goodwood.
Yeah, it's got more instant torque.
Yeah.
So how long's your average race?
Like a national event is about 120 miles of stage.
Wow.
So that's all split up. You know, you transit to the first stage, you'd race the first stage, and you transit to the second stage, and so on and so on. There might be 15 to 20 stages.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. So it's, and then the transits can be anywhere from like, you know, a mile to like 20 miles.
Sure.
Or 50 miles potentially. We're just gonna start up on top of the hill.
Cool. That thing moves.
Pretty good, eh?
Yeah. Wow. What's the red button do on the e-brake?
So just when we're launching,
Oh, okay, gotcha.
that's the launch. So when
Cool.
you're at zero miles an hour, it activates.
It's like a trans brake.
Yeah, exactly.
Very cool.
You're here Friday and Saturday as well?
Yeah.
Nice. It's been a good event for you?
Yeah, no, it's been sick. Yesterday I got to go in a 250 GTO. So that was pretty cool.
That's rad. Yeah, it's pretty impressive event they put together.
Yeah, for real. Well, thank you very much.
Hey, no worries.
That was awesome.
Yeah, man. Hopefully you enjoyed.
Obviously. Hard to hate that.
Now, it's absolutely awesome. Let's get a load of some of the interior. It's got a sequential manual transmission. We've got a hydro with a trans brake, pretty much completely stripped out. Check out some of the controls on the steering wheel. I gotta say, that rally experience was very, very fun. The car was a lot faster than I was expecting, and the slides were amazing. Look at that Chiron Pure Sport rolling through. That is gorgeous. Wow. the shop now to grab a helmet. I'm actually going to be driving my dad's Ford GT on the track and then going for a ride in the new Ford GT Mark IV race car, which is gonna be so awesome. I'm so excited for that. This is another classic Recreations build with a 427 and a Pro Charger on it. It's got a load of the interior. It's full carbon fiber, but they've painted over it. Pretty cool. Taking the Ford GT on the track for the first time. Got some crazy company on the track out with me. Beautiful 765 LT, Pagani Huayra BC, of course, the Zonda R. Look at this full carbon fiber Senna and Gunther works. This is about to be nuts. Well, I've of course driven the GT a handful of times, actually more than a handful. I've never driven it on a track before. Should be pretty cool, manual transmission, but of course, no traction control and no insurance on the track. So we gotta return this thing safely. SLS Black Series, beautiful carbon Senna, and then look at this McLaren with the velocity stacks. That is way too cool. All right, here we go. I'm excited for this. This thing sounds so damn good. It's actually ridiculous. And what a cool experience getting to drive behind a Huayra BC, a Zonda R in front of that, SLS Black Series behind me. Looks like the Ford GT Mark IV is up there as well. I'm not sure if that's in our class. If it is, with the Pro driver, that guy is gonna lap me so many times it's gonna be comical. I've been on Sonoma a couple times, but not as much as I'd like to. So it's a great excuse to get out there. Oh yeah, the Ford's in our class. He just went out. That guy's fast. Here comes the GT behind me. I'm gonna let him pass to my left. Oh my God. He's absolutely flying. And he just passed me not long ago. That thing apparently is as fast around the track as an LMP2 car.